Hi guys, Josh here, and as you can probably tell by my tone of voice, I'm in a pretty calm and almost ecstatic state of mind right now. So what I wanted to do is, you know how I love to do these how-to videos. Okay, so I'm going to do one. You'll notice I'm not connected to the internet. My phone is in airplane mode right now. The reason I don't have the gun safe open is the lock cylinder is hardened steel. I've already burned through one drill bit. I'm working on the second one now. And I'm actually working up a sweat trying to open into that gun safe. What I was trying to get was my level of education, meaning how far I actually went in school. Because what I have is a little red book with a piece of paper in it. And it reads something about graduating in 1999 from La Brea High School. Yes, that's right. I never went to college. But as you can see, there's a recent files of 0. So I'm going to show everybody how to fix their PC after Ruffel hacks it when you don't realize he's doing it. Okay, so down here you got this little search option, right? And you just put in system restore. Okay. And hit enter. And it's going to bring up a little box here. And right at the top, reset this PC. Now realize that, I understand experts like Ruffel would have never seen this coming. And you click this little get started option, right? And it'll give you an option of keeping files or removing everything. You could probably guess which one I selected. It wasn't keep my files. So I will have to download Dark Age of Camelot again at some point in the future. Listen, guys, I really want to come back. I do. I miss you guys. I'm not happy about the fact that I got off work and had to do all this instead of coming in, crafting my potions, killing some doppels, having some fun, trying to crack some jokes. But I'm going to, in order to stay safe, I am going to go ahead and remain offline until Ruffel gets the proper punishment to the fullest extent of the law that he deserves. And hey, Ruffel, if you want, you see this tower of DVDs here? See that? You might want to learn what that is, because do you know what I'm going to do tomorrow? When I get off work, I'm going to head down and maybe I'll wait till Friday, but I'm going to go look for the movie American History X. You might want to go pick it up. It's pretty good. It's got Edward Norton and Edward Furlong in it. But yeah, you should check it out. Later, guys.